For 18 years, Titan Owl TO-4 had stood alone in the desert. A powerful sandstorm ended its final mission, leaving its great observation dish frozen in place. When Elena Ward and her engineering team finally found it, time had already taken its toll. Its windows were cracked, its 4 tires were badly aged, and corrosion covered the once proud observatory. Before touching anything, the team had one goal: understand what 18 years in the desert had done to the Titan Owl. Before any repair could begin, Elena's team had to understand 18 years of damage. Their inspection revealed sand packed inside the dish mechanism, worn gears, 3 blocked cooling paths, and a 19mm misalignment in the right dish support. The left rear suspension had settled 11 centimeters. All 4 tires were badly aged, and both cabin windows were beyond reuse. The damage was extensive, but the main frame was still strong enough to save. "18 years of desert wind had buried much of the Titan Owl beneath compacted sand. Elena's team carefully cleared the 4 wheels and exposed the lower frame without moving the machine. They prepared firm working surfaces, secured every wheel, and placed supports beneath verified points of the main structure. For the first time in 18 years, the desert released the hidden underside of TO-4. The giant was still silent, but it was finally ready for restoration. The restoration began where the Titan Owl met the desert. One by one, the 4 aging wheels were removed and their hidden hubs inspected. Worn bearings were renewed, while serviceable original parts were carefully preserved. At the left rear, the team corrected an 11-centimeter suspension drop that had left the giant uneven for years. With 4 new desert tires installed and every wheel secured, TO-4 stood level again. But its cracked eyes and frozen observatory dish were still waiting for their turn. Next came the Titan Owl's most recognizable feature, its 2 enormous eyes. After 18 years in the desert, both cabin windows were too damaged to reuse. The team carefully removed them and discovered corrosion hidden around the frames. Instead of replacing everything, they preserved the strong original metal and repaired only the weakened sections. 2 new laminated windows were then fitted into the restored openings. The Titan Owl had its eyes again, but its greatest challenge still waited above: the frozen observation dish. The Titan Owl's greatest challenge was hidden beneath its enormous observation dish. 18 years of desert sand had mixed with old lubricant, locking the main bearing in place and wearing part of the drive gear. Before touching the mechanism, Elena's team secured the massive dish on 2 supports. They carefully restored the bearing, preserved the usable original gear sections, and corrected the 19mm misalignment in the right support. The dish was mechanically ready again, but the team would not move it until every system below had been checked. With the dish mechanism repaired, the team turned to the systems hidden below. 18 years of sand had blocked all 3 cooling paths, while age had weakened seals, wiring, and electrical connections. Elena's team restored only what had failed, preserving every serviceable original part they could. Then, using a low-power external source, they carefully brought the control circuits back online. The engine remained off, and the great dish stayed motionless. TO-4 was ready for the next stage, but first, its weathered body needed 18 years of desert damage removed. With the mechanical and control systems restored, the Titan Owl could finally reclaim its original appearance. The team removed only loose corrosion, preserving strong original metal, visible repair seams, and selected marks from its 18 years in the desert. Midnight blue returned to the main armor, antique gold defined the owl-like face, and heat shield silver protected the working surfaces. Even the great observation dish regained its finish. TO-4 looked alive again, but its engine was still off, and the restored dish had yet to make its first controlled movement. After 18 years of silence, the moment had finally arrived. With every system checked, the team transferred the great dish back onto its restored mechanism and started TO-4 at a controlled low idle. The first movement was only a few degrees. They stopped, measured, and checked the alignment again. Then the dish slowly rotated and changed elevation through a limited test range. The Titan Owl never moved from its place, but for the first time in 18 years, its observatory could move again. As night settled over the desert, the Titan Owl faced the sky once again. The restored dish slowly turned toward its first observation target and held the position with steady precision. For the first time in 18 years, TO-4 was observing the stars again. After the final test, the team returned the dish to a safe position and shut the machine down. Beneath the same desert sky where it had been forgotten, the Titan Owl had finally completed its unfinished mission.